Hello guys, it's Mickey. It's been a while. You guys saw me on your screen live. Yes, I decided to take the back seat and do audio reviews for you guys, so you guys get to enjoy me doing audio reviews without any mistakes whatsoever. And I noticed most of my subscribers actually did enjoy the audio reviews until last night when I was called off by one of my subscribers when she said she's not seen my face and she's in doubt if I'm actually going to make sales without me showing my face and telling people about my ebook. So I decided to do that today. Well, today I'm going to be answering most of the questions that have actually been put on my comment box. And I did reply most of the comments, but I don't know if it actually got to you. So I want to actually create a live video for that. My first comment or the answer to a question is someone actually made a comment and said something about me bleaching my skin, not appreciating my African beauty. Yes, I was born brownish. Should I say brownish black, brownish black? Yeah, something like that. You should understand. Well, that doesn't mean changing my skin tone doesn't mean I don't appreciate African beauty. No, it doesn't. Change is the only thing that is constant in life. I actually like my skin tone now. I'm comfortable with the skin tone I have right now than when I was having a brown skin. Yes. Everyone in life has a choice. I decided to make my choice. That doesn't mean I have to think like a white man because I'm changing my skin tone. No, it doesn't. And it doesn't degrade me as being an African woman. I just decided to tone my skin. And I have another comment coming from a subscriber of mine as well, who said she wants a face cream. She wants me to prescribe a face cream to her. Honey, I would have done that. I would love to do it. But you know that I have most of my subscribers who have actually purchased my ebook. So it's going to be very unfair to them since they bought it out of their own will to want to change their skin tone or to want to do a business with it. It's going to be very unfair to them. And I feel if you love your skin or you probably love yourself, you should probably just go for something that works well with you. Because going for something cheap has its own consequences. You know what I mean? So another question coming from my subscriber again. She said something about wanting a face soap if battle wash can be used for the face as well. I won't recommend that for you. I'm not going to recommend it because it might work and again it might damage your skin. We know we have different skin types. The hard skin, yes, it might work for the hard skin. But for someone with a sensitive skin like mine, I dare not use a body wash. I dare not use a body wash. So the face soap I use K Brothers face soap, the yellowish color. Yes, I use K Brothers face soap, and you can actually just go for K Brothers face soap or other face soap you think is mild. Anytime you want to go for a face soap, go for a mild face soap. You don't need something harsh on your face. Yes. Someone said something about she wanting to buy the ebook, but she's been duped by so many skincare therapists and it didn't work for her skin. Honey, you've actually seen my video. I showed you when I had a breakout. I showed you when I had dark knuckles on my arm, you know, and I cleared everything. So what other truth do you need other than that? Well, I hope I've been able to answer some of your questions. I hope I've been able to do that. And for some of my subscribers who are concerned about the content of my ebook, you know I can't list down most of the content, but I'm going to give you a tip. A tip, yes. So in some of my contents, you can have 7 days whitening cream. Yes, you have skin treatments, which involves sunburn, stretch marks, acne, dark spots, red patches on your face, white dots on your body. And again, we have whitening creams. We have toning milk meant for pregnant women who have actually lost their vigor or probably their skin tone due to childbirth. So I want you guys to stay tuned. On Saturday, I'm going to be having a new video coming up. So please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Please do that. See you guys. Bye.